You are welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe so that you can be seeing my new videos as soon as I release them. Thank you. This is a tutorial on how to barb punk, latest punk. Yeah, I'm starting from the frictioning, the front frictioning and the side calf. I'm frictioning the other side, bringing out the side calf. I'm now bringing down the down part of the punk where it will go totally skin. I'm now bringing it down to complete skin, total scraping of the down part, the first layer. I turn the clipper mount down. Now I'm in the second layer. I'm making the second layer now. I'm trying to blend the first layer by the second, blending the second layer in between the first layer. Now I'm at the third layer, now trying to blend it together with the second one. Try to follow me up. I'm using the attachment comb number 2. For the second layer, I did not use attachment. The lowest level, that's skin cuts, are low cuts. I'm combing the hair. I'm giving it total trimming so that the second and the third layer will ram together, will agree. They will now form punk. I'm trimming the top of the hair to make the hair level the same, so that one part will not go higher than the other. I'm trying to trim the front of the punk. I've trimmed the first side, trying to trim the second side to make the punk look fine. Trying to trim it from the side, come to the front, to the center of the forehead. Now trying to trim the top, coming down to the left side again towards the front. I'm trying to trim it properly so that it will look rhyme and matured. Trying to blend it with the side bone. Now I've come to the other side to blend the first layer with the side